In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can trim any video in Adobe Creative Cloud Express. Let's get into it. With Creative Cloud Express open, we can go up to the plus icon, go across to the video section and choose Trim Video. When we click on this, this is going to open up this Trim Video window. You can go ahead and click on Browse on your device and find your video. I'm just going to drag my video in across from my desktop, load it into there, and as you can see, it's loaded in my video of this small here. This is a 15-second video, but let's say I want it to be 10 seconds. We can adjust the size of the video by dragging along on the slider manually here, or we can just enter the value here. So I'm going to make this 10 seconds long instead of 15. This does give you other options to change the size of your video. You can go from 16:9 to 9:16, say for an Instagram story, or you can go to square, say for an Instagram post or another social post. I'm going to keep this as 16:9 for now because all I want to do is trim this video. It also gives you the option to mute your videos. This is useful if you don't want any sound in the video, but for this example, I'm just going to keep that unchecked because it doesn't matter in this scenario. With all of that done, we can go ahead and click download. Creative Cloud Express is going to process the video, and the amount of time it takes to do this depends on the length of your video. As I'm just working with a 15-second clip, we can see that it hasn't taken very long to do this at all. There we go. Creative Cloud Express will give us a nice little pop-up window here to say your video has been downloaded. And as you can see in my web browser here, it's downloaded my new trimmed clip. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.